most of the time I have seen everyone is complaining that there is no perfect screen guard for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video guys I'm going to install the screen guard for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And here is the screen guard which I have it, and I got this from Amazon for a very discounted price guys, for my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And this is one of the best screen guards which are available for this phone, so make sure you all are subscribed to this channel. And as you can see over here, this is a proper tempered glass, and y'all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And by the way, we are getting these two swaps. One is with the alcohol and another is a cleaner one. And so I'm going to use this alcohol pad just to get rid of any lint or dust, etc. And as you can see over here, enough alcohol needs to be applied, so just to overcome that oleophobic coating. And as you can see over here, my hands, everything is extremely dust free. And please turn off all your fans, etc. if you have it in your room, because that can lead to accumulation of dust for the screen guard. And this is the hazel color which I have for my Pixel 9 Pro XL. And what I'm going to do is next is just rub this particular alcohol with my microfiber cloth. So I got this particular cloth from the Shinex Pro. If you like this kind of videos for installation of screen guard and all, please hit that like button. You all can also follow us on social media at the rate creativesoft. And after doing multiple times, like applying alcohol and removing it, finally it is time for me to just unbox this and apply this particular screen guard. So there are two layers guys, one is the actual glass and one is the protective black film which we need to get rid of it. But make sure it is dust free, or especially your screen is dust free. So I'm using a very big microfiber cloth which I got from Chinex Pro. By the way, they are not sponsoring this particular video guys, it's just that I like their product. And let me just show you how it is done. And you all have to be extremely careful when you all are applying it at the edges guys, because again you have to lift it out and do it again. So what I like to do is, once it is properly placed, I gently press the center of the screen guard so that it automatically gets rid of bubble and all. But as you can see in this installation, some bubbles are left, so which is not a big deal. You can just press towards the edges and you'll get rid of this particular bubble as well. Okay, let me just show you how this thing is done. So you all have to apply a gentle pressure guys, don't have to apply a lot of pressure. And as you can see, I got rid of this particular bubble, but I'm still not satisfied. So what I do is I slightly gently lift the edge and do that process again, or only to the edge. And but you all have to make sure that you all are not applying too much of pressure, because too much of pressure can lead this grass to crack. And this is how it looks guys after installation. Everything is perfect. You can not even come to know whether the screen guard is installed on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And let me know in the comments below, how did you find my installation process, whether it was helpful or not. And if it was helpful, then please subscribe to this channel for having checking out some other videos which we have it on our channel, and some upcoming videos. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.